Hello, lovelies. Do you need any idea of what you can gift people around you? Your colleagues at work, your neighbors, your friends, your classmates? This is a good and a great idea. This is so simple and delicious. One dough, many cookies. Let me show you how you can make this, and you're going to love this idea. What you need is your soft butter, sugar, eggs, salt, baking powder. You can add vanilla extract or vanilla sugar to it. Now it's time to be adding the flour. For the exact measurement used and the ingredients measurement, please check the comment section or the description box. So after mixing everything together, while your work surface and transfer the dough knead together, this is what you're going to have. Now share into 4 places or to 5 places. It depends on how many cookies you want to, different cookies you want to make. We have 4 cookies that we'll be making today. That's the first dough. I'll be using coconut flakes for this. Pour the coconut flakes onto it and knead together. So once they come together, you need to wrap it. We don't want it to get dried. Wrap it and keep it aside. And now the second dough. I'll be using almond for this. Okay, almond. Pour it on it and knead together as well. After kneading together, just get your kitchen nylon, is a foil, what's it called? Just wrap it and keep it for later. Okay, now that is the third one. I'll be using chocolate powder for this. Pour it on it. You can just add half a teaspoonful of water into it and then mix together. This is how it's going to come. I didn't add anything anyway. Mix it together and then wrap it and keep it aside. And that is the fourth one. I'll be using chocolate chips for this. Okay, so pour it onto it and knead together. Once they come together, wrap it like we did for the first 3. And now it's now time for the baking of the cookies. I'll be starting with the chocolate dough. So cut it into your desired sizes, and after that, grease your baking pan with butter and place the dough onto it. You just need to squeeze it together in your hand like this. Place it on it and use your fingertip to flatten it. Just flatten it like this. Let it be like this. And now get a knife and just give it some slides on it. Don't cut it through, just small cut on it like that. Don't cut it through, like I've said. So after that, bake in a preheated oven 180 centigrade for about 15 minutes. Tralala, this is how it's going to come out, guys. You need to try this. This is super crunchy and delicious. Now let's move to the second dough. Okay, so that is the second dough. Flour your work surface, cut it into your desired sizes, just like the first one. Grease your baking pan you'll be using with some butter. Okay, and after that, squeeze the dough in your palm like that and use your fingertip to flatten it. So once they're all flat like this, get your knife and give it some slice on it. Okay. And after that, bake in a 180 centigrade for 15 minutes as well. This is what you're going to have. It's super easy and delicious. The third one, flour your work surface, roll it out. After roll it out, let it be flat like this and get your cutter. You can use any design that you have. I'll put a link how you can get this one. I'll put the link for you and the name of it. So after cutting it out like this, you can grease your pan. You can also use your baking sheet. I'll be using baking sheet for this. Place it on your in your oven and bake under 100 centigrade for about 12 minutes. That is flat, very easy. And we have them. Okay, and so just repeat the same process and you're going to have all your cookies done. Okay, I had to cut this about 20-minute video to 5 minutes just for you guys. This is easy. Make it and make your friends, your colleagues, and everyone around you happy. It's not going to end here. You still need to pack it. Okay, they all look yummy. Eh? They look so yummy. So let me just open one and let you see. Super crunchy and tastes super yummy. So let's pack it together. Just get your mini nylon bag. This is for packing gifts. Okay, I got them at a €1 shop. So just pick your cookies, one or two, depends on how much you want it to be. So just mix them together like that, and I'm telling you, people will be happy with this little gift. You're going to put smiles on the faces of your friends. You can see how I've packed it, and what you need to get now is how you're going to tie it. For tying it, I'll be using this is everywhere. You can get it at a £1 shop, €1 shop. Get it and just use it to tie it, make it look good. I bought I used blue and pink for the women and blue for our men. Okay, so that is just it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Thank you so much to Adebayo. Thanks for liking our recipes. God bless you. See you all next time. Bye bye.